What's up, fam? Welcome back to another Mommy and Me fitness video. My name is Brianna and this is Tegan, and today I am super excited because we are going to be showing you how to get strong calves while working out at home with your little bitty. So if you're ready, let's hop into it. Now, if you're new here, what we do is we do 3 different exercises with 30 minutes of cardio in between. So our 3 exercises today are going to be calf raises, walking lunges, and then squat calf raises. So pretty simple, pretty easy. Everything you can do at home with your baby to add a little bit extra. Now our 30 seconds of cardio, I am gonna go ahead and just do some jumping jacks because it's quick and easy, and that's what we're going for today. It's a very simple and effective workout. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and then make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos that come out every Tuesday. All right, well, without further ado, let's do it. All right, so the calf raises are pretty easy. We're gonna do 12 sets with 3 reps. All right, so let's go ahead and get it going. I'm basically the whole time just gonna be holding on to my baby just like normal. All right, so for the calf raises, if you've never done a calf raise, you stand normal. You stand normal and then you just go up on your tippy toes. You don't wanna go all the way on your tippy toes, like in point, but you just wanna come up on the ball of your feet. Okay, so let's do 12 of them. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for my walking lunges, because I've got a small space to work with right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just do kind of like a circle or a square, rectangle kind of thing. That way I can still get the effect and stay in my space. All right, let's do 12 of them. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, hey there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yay! That was really awkward, but you know, it works. All right, so then for the squat calf raises, that one's really simple as well. What you're gonna do is you're gonna point your feet outwards, and then you squat and lift up and down and up. That's 1, 2, and 3. There you go. 4, 5, 6, and 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, one more, 12. Woo! All right, so let's go ahead and set our baby down and do 30 jumping jacks. There you go, stay put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, so Let's repeat that 2 more times, and then we'll stretch it out, and our shake can be done. Yay! Just kidding. Let's stretch first, and then we'll talk about it. So because we really worked out the legs today, let's stretch the legs. So you're gonna do right over left, and drop it low, girl. Drop it low. And count to 10. Okay, go ahead and switch left over right, and stretch. Yeah, look at you go. I see you. All right, now bring it out and go to your left and count to 10. Ooh, I scratched you. I'm sorry, baby. And to the right, count to 10. And to the middle. 10. And then you can drop it low into the frog position. This is basically like the deep squat that we did. But you're gonna put your elbows on your knees and push it back. I know, girl. All right, now let's sit and talk. Great job. I'm super proud of you. I hope it was a good workout for you. Don't get used to this look that I'm going for right now. I recorded a video before this, so just so you know. But, ooh, did you like it? If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And then make sure that you have your nutrition. My drink of choice today is my Bev Mix, but it's got the protein that I need for my muscles so that they can have fuel to be able to grow and recharge. And I'm feeling super pumped right now, feeling good. I got some energy. What is your what is your nutritional choice? Like, I know there's so many out there. Some people do like ID Life, some people do It Works, some people do Skinny Me Teas. My choice is Herbalife, has been since my first child. I have 3. It's been since my first child, Kiara, who is now 4 years old. Crazy. And it's just gotten me the results that I want. It's continuing to give me the results that I want. You can check it out and follow me on my socials at F.A.M TV, where you can see my monthly update pics. And I'm excited to get my body back. I'm excited to grow my body, grow my arms, grow my legs, grow that booty, get the abs back to where I like them. And it's just gonna be awesome. My question of the day is something very simple and light and fluffy, just like the workout that we did. What is your favorite color? Mine is red. I used to actually be scared of the color red. Like, I used to think it was the devil's color, like for real. And blue used to be my favorite color because like blue for the angels and for the sky. But red is actually my favorite color. Now it's a very beautiful power color. It's strong and bold and like just, it's fierce. And it embodies the attitude and the perspective that I like to have about myself. So that is my favorite color. What's yours and why is that your favorite color? And yeah, that's all I got for you. If you have questions about anything, about nutrition, if you have questions about how to do a certain workout, if you have something that you want to see me do, like a body part that you want specific workouts for, or something like that, just go ahead and put it down in the comments below, and I would love to do that for you. And yeah, that's all I got. So we will see you next week, and bye, fam. Are you gonna give me kisses? Are you gonna give me kisses? This one's tired, so she's gonna get a nap. I'm going to get other stuff done. Like, let's be honest. Never finish, never done. All right, bye, fam. I love you. Bye.